What's up, guys? I'm here at Home Depot trying to get some metal strip for the oh, this guy's backing out. Metal strip for the Civic, the overdrive Civic, and trust me, guys, a lot of work. And I don't have that luxury of time. There's just so much things to do to complete this car, but I'm trying my best to complete it. It's really a lot, guys, a lot. But I decided that I have to like take at least 3 weeks and complete it still. This is what I got. This is to mount up the intercooler. This piece of metal. I got the axle blades. But besides that, I'm waiting. Well, I have everything now. Yeah, I have everything now. So, as I said, it's just time is my problem, guys. But I'm trying my best to see if I can complete this car as soon as possible. Because I know you guys want to see this car up and running. I mean, I feel that way right now. So I can't imagine how you guys feel. So just bear with me with this car. I mean, as you know, like we have to do other things as well. So, but let's see. Let's go do some work on it, and yeah, let's try and finish up this car. So guys, here's a little update on the car. The engine is in, turbo is on, as you can see, running a 6870 precision turbo, 48mm wastegate. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna turn it opposite, hopefully, as I really don't want to have this exit out of the bonnet. Gearbox is on, piping. I just made the bracket for the intercooler, so it's all firm. So we get in there. Just running the brake line so I can bleed the brakes. But yeah, it's coming along. So let's go do some work again, and then I'll update you guys soon. So guys, look what came for the EK, the overdrive Civic. I'm going with this, the AEM pump. So this is the one I'm using. So you have the model number there. Let's open it and see how it looks. Hey Carla, you helping daddy? You helping daddy? You helping daddy? What? Yeah. So here we have the pump, guys. Yep. AEM pump. The pump? Yeah. Pump for the car. Yeah. Then we also have the brackets for the pump. I bought 2 brackets, one for the filter and one for the pump. Let's see. So we have the filter. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for all these stuff. So if you guys want to get your own, you can get it. So that's the filter. What else came? Okay, the filter came as well. Here's the filter, guys. Here's the filter. Yeah. Comes with all the fittings and everything. I'll leave the link in the description below, guys, so don't worry. So you guys can always get yours. As I say, I'm trying to finish this car. I'm trying my best to finish this car. So I guess as quick as I can. Yeah, guys, I'm trying my best to finish this car as quick as I can. It's a lot of work, as you know, and yeah, we just reach a good distance, I would say. So, oh, guys, let me know if you guys, what you guys think about these shirts. I'm about to make some shirts and put them up on the website, set up the website so you guys can get your shirt and support the Mod Squad movement. So let me guys know what you think about the shirt, and tell me what you think about the shirt. What do you think about this shirt? Huh? Look at the shirt. Look at the shirt. What do you think about the shirt? You like it? Yeah? Yeah. So guys, yeah, let me know. Leave a link, leave your comments in and let me know what you think. So there you go, guys. That was our update on the Civic. I am I'll have some updates for you, and I guess the next update I'll have is the car actually hopefully driving. Yeah, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for always liking, sharing, and subscribing. And remember, always hit that notification bell so you know when we drop a new video. Respect, guys. Mod Squad.